Hey everybody, it's Mary. Welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're going to make something. It's a low-carb lasagna. Basically, a lasagna with no noodles. It is what it is, guys. When you're trying to reduce your carbs, you still need flavor. You still want something similar to what you've been eating. So this is the best thing that I know to do. Just make a lasagna without noodles with a couple of added ingredients. Okay, I have my pan on. I'm spraying it with my non-stick cooking spray. And I have some ground beef. Folks, this is from a steer that we butchered. It's about 3 pounds. I'm sure a lot of you do not have beef that you freshly ground, and that's fine. Just do it from the grocery store. You can use beef, you can use Italian sausage, you can use chicken, turkey, whatever meat that you like the best in your lasagna. Okay. I have a medium onion that I diced. Put that in here. And I'm just going to stir this and let it brown. Okay, our hamburger meat is cooked all the way through. So I'm going to do something that some of you may do, you may not do. Okay, I'm going to pull the meat out of the way. To me, this is the easiest way to drain grease. Even though a lot of this is just water that's cooked out because it's a very lean ground beef. In all honesty, I'm trying to get this done so I can get dinner in the oven and go on with other things I need to be doing today. Go get another paper towel. Just wad them up, throw them in there. Folks, if you have a good quality paper towel, this will not disintegrate. I don't know about the ones that are $1 a roll or under, but this is a good quality paper towel, and it absorbs the grease and all the liquid in there. Okay, go ahead and cut it. Okay, now as you can see, we have a dry pan down here. So I have some spaghetti sauce. Folks, the brand you use is up to you. I would love to have the Rayos, but I cannot afford $6 for something half this size. So, like I say, I'm going with a lower carb. I'm not calling it keto because this does have carbs in it. That's probably about 2 cups. Stir that through there. Now again, if you like a saucier, quote-unquote lasagna or a casserole, then use more of the spaghetti sauce. If you like it drier, then of course use less. And I can already see I need more. So, okay, it's going to be about 3 cups of the pasta sauce that's in there. I'm going to let that heat through. And while it's heating through, I'm going to prepare my casserole dish. You can use whatever size you like. Who ate my pound? Seriously, my pound disappeared. Hello. I'm going to spray my casserole dish. with non-stick cooking spray. Okay. Now folks, whenever you are beginning this, if you would like to, you can add minced garlic in here. I thought I had some, but I did not. So I have granulated garlic. So I'm just going to stir, I don't know, probably a teaspoon or so in there. It depends on your flavor. You can put Italian seasoning in here. Salt, pepper. We don't use a lot of salt, so I really honestly don't add a lot of salt to things. So I'm just going to let that simmer for a few minutes. Let the spaghetti sauce get hot, and then we'll get it in the pan. Okay, everything is heated through. Now I have a can of mushrooms that I have drained. I'm going to put those in here. Stir them up. And I have something else I'm going to add in this. I have some zucchini. Now, this is optional, but I'm doing it honestly to bulk it up a little bit. And this is zucchini that I had in the freezer. It was 2 cups, and I have 2 of these, so I have 4 cups. You can use a fresh zucchini or you can use a frozen, it doesn't matter. But the main thing is to get the water out. Now this is going to have more in it where it was frozen. But folks, I guarantee you get a fresh towel and put your freshly sliced zucchini in it, wrap it up and squeeze it. You will be amazed at all the moisture that comes out of that zucchini. Don't ever just throw it in there because it will be very, very soggy. Okay, so there's the first one. And folks, if you're wondering about this majorly changing the flavor, honestly, it's not going to. It's going to absorb the flavor of the tomato or the spaghetti sauce. And just bulk it up a little bit and add some veggies to it. Okay, same thing here. Just turn it over and squeeze the water. Now folks, I promise there was no added water in this when I put it in these bags. I took them out of the bag or out of the freezer a little bit ago. Let them sit at room temperature. Ran some cool water over the bag. Just enough to defrost. And this is what I squeezed out of 2 of the 2-cup bags. So again, I'll dump it in here. Get out of there, you. This side of the way. Okay. Everything here is really hot, so it shouldn't take 2 or 3 minutes for the zucchini to be heated up as well. Okay, everything is heated through, so let's just put it in the pan. Spread it out. Now folks, again, if you wanted Italian seasoning, more garlic, salt, pepper, crushed red pepper, anything that you would typically put in a lasagna, now you could add it. I'm putting just a little bit of shredded Parmesan on here. Fresh Parmesan will be great. Just enough to add a little extra layer of flavor. And folks, I got my little bitty thing of cheese. I can't tell you exactly how much cheese I'm putting in here. Probably 3 or 4 cups. Just enough to make a good thick layer and everything covered good. That looks good. What do you think? You think that's enough cheese? Drop me a comment and let me know if you think I have enough cheese on there. Okay. I have tin foil, aluminum foil, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to cover this. I'm going to put it in a 400-degree oven and let it bake for about 35 or 40 minutes. It won't take as long, in all honesty, as what a regular lasagna does because it don't have noodles in there to absorb the sauce and cook. So, I'll show you what it looks like in a few minutes. It's time to take the foil off of our no noodle lasagna so it can get brown. I should say so the cheese can get brown. Okay. Now, folks, if you wanted to, you could eat it just like that, but I like to have my cheese with just a little brown on there. How do you like your cheese whenever you're having a lasagna or a no noodle lasagna? Let me know in the comments. I'm going to put this back in for about 10 minutes. That way everything's going to be nice and brown. Okay, folks. There you go. That's about 10 more minutes. The cheese has started to brown some on there. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends, folks, and we'll see you on that next video.